Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question. Overapplied manufacturing overhead would result if multiple choice the plant was operated at less than normal capacity. Manufacturing overhead costs incurred were less than manufacturing overhead costs charged to production. Manufacturing overhead costs incurred were greater than manufacturing overhead costs charged to production. Manufacturing overhead costs incurred were less than estimated manufacturing overhead costs. Correct answer is overapplied manufacturing overhead would result if manufacturing overhead costs incurred were less than manufacturing overhead costs charged to production. So that was our question and answer. If you have any other question, just leave a comment. Thanks for watching the video. For more helpful, subscribe my channel Class Beta so that helpful videos will reach you soon. Bye bye.